Hello and welcome back to my channel Fly High Crypto. Today we'll be talking about the giveaway that is conducted by Binance BNB and more details about it and how you could participate and win $10,000 welcome bonus, a MacBook Pro and a PlayStation 5. So let's get started. Click on the banner here and we have all the important details we need to know. So we will read out thoroughly $10,000 giveaway and more. Win a MacBook Pro or a PlayStation 5 by trading crypto on BNB P2P. We are giving away $10,000 welcome bonuses plus a MacBook Pro and two PlayStation 5 units to users who buy or sell crypto via Binance P2P. Activity period is from 10th of March to 19th of March 2021. Promotion A includes complete your first P2P trade to share $10,000 in welcome bonuses. During the activity period, users who buy or sell crypto worth $100 and above via Binance P2P can equally share a welcome bonus of $10,000 in BNB. This promotion applies to new and existing users who have not yet traded on Binance P2P. Promotion B. Trade crypto worth $200 to win a MacBook Pro or a PlayStation 5. During the activity period, users who complete a transaction of $200 and above via Binance P2P can get a raffle ticket to Lucky Draw. We have prepared the following top prizes for 3 winners. Each one of them will get a MacBook Pro and 2 of them will get PlayStation 5. This promotion applies to all P2P traders. The lucky draw winners will be selected based on the Binance chain hash value at 11:59 am on 19th of March. For further details, you can click on the links mentioned here: how to buy crypto via Binance P2P or how to sell crypto via Binance P2P and more. Terms and conditions. This promotion only apply to fiat currency made available on Binance P2P. Eligible users are limited to one reward per Binance account and higher value reward applies. For example, if a user wins both a BNB welcome bonus and a MacBook Pro, he or she will only receive the MacBook Pro. P2P advisors and merchants are not eligible for these promotions. Binance supports replacing the physical MacBook Pro and PSP rewards with the equivalent value in BUSD. The MacBook Pro price refers to Apple website and does not include taxes, especially an Apple M1 chip with 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, 256 GB storage with a retail price of $1,299. The PSP price refers to the PlayStation website and does not include taxes, especially a PS5 digital edition with a retail of $399. After the lucky draw is complete, winners will be reached out via email by the Binance P2P team within 3 days. If winners do not reply in 7 days, they will be considered forfeiting their rewards. The $10,000 BNB welcome bonuses will be distributed within 2 weeks after the promotion ends. User can log in and see rewards via account, spot wallet distribution history. The $10,000 will be distributed based on the real-time BNB prices. BNB will use the fiat currency to USD foreign exchange rate at 10th of March for the calculation of trading volume. Binance reserves the right to disqualify traders that are deemed to be watch trades or illegal bulk registration accounts, self-dealing or display attributes of market manipulation, etc. Binance reserves the right to cancel or amend the promotion or promotion rules at our sole discretion if anything happens such. So this is all they have to say here, and it's actually a good chance to win a MacBook Pro or a PlayStation 5 or worth of BUSD. And also they are offering welcome bonuses worth $10,000. Now actually that's a very good deal, and I think you should all participate as soon as possible. This is still valid till 19th of March, so you all go and participate right now. And before leaving, do subscribe to my channel for more video like this one, and also like and comment down if you have to say anything. And I really want to grow, so please help me grow and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye till the next one.